Yep, you're good.
Okay, so in this video, this is week 5, and we are 5 or 6. It's 5, week 5, and we are connecting a switching relay from multi-zone, multi-zone. Sorry, late at night. So we have the regular connection for the emergency switches that comes up with neutral and hot. We connect the hot to the line voltage in the primary and the line voltage in the aquastat. Neutrals, of course, going to connect together to come back to the original neutral. We have the regular connection that we had before, the burner motor circulator coming from C1 and C2 in the aquastat, and the ignition from the primary, and oil valve, and FF terminal goes to the cat cell control. And again, this week we are connecting 2 zones through zoning switching relay. And this switching relay is controlling valves. So we will heat the water once we go for heat. We turn on the circulator, the water will be circulating the whole time. And if one of the zones go for heat, it will turn on this valve. So the thermostat will connect to each one of these zones on the top over here, zone 1, zone 2, and we see the valve connected to the bottom. The end switch over here connects to the TT on the aquastat, and the TT over here is jumper. So I'm going to turn it on and see how it will function, and it should turn on with the sequence until we heat the water and it can circulate. But I would love to show you how it will work. Goggles. So I will unplug the cat cell, simulating no flame. Turn it on. You see the aquastat is working. And if you look here closely, you'll see that the green light is on, meaning the board is powered. So the aquastat is checking the water and realizing that there is not enough temperature for the water. It will eventually, it is going for heat, it will turn on the ignition. Actually, it turned on the ignition and the motor, and it will turn on the oil valve. I'll plug back the cat cell. So there's fire going on, water is heating. So let's turn on the heat here and see what happens. See, if you look at both of those oil valve has been activated. This means the thermostat is calling for heat. Once the water temperature is heated, it will turn on and open the valve. So this is the oil valve over here, 3-wire oil valve. You can see, if you look through, you can see that it's open or closed, and it should open or close once the water is heated in here. And again, we have priority for zone 4. You can connect zone 4 here to a hot water system. And this is how this system is connected. If we look into another system, this over here. So this system over here is basically a complete hot water system using a different kind of controller. It's not a Teco, it's called the boiler box. So which does exactly the same thing. And I'm going to turn it on. See if it works. So you see, in this system, we are controlling the water temperature inside here, not with an aquastat, but with a probe. The probe is inside just like the aquastat, and this probe is going all the way to the control over there. So there are different strategies of doing this. There's also a thermistor here that is also connected to the controller. So the controller was checking the water inside the water tap, which is over here. If you look at that, that was the priority zone. We'll heat the water in here, calling for heat, but we're also calling for heat coming from the radiator. So we have 2 circulators, one going to the hot water system and one going to the radiator over here. And if you look at this controller, it's very similar. We have high limit, low limit, priority, and this is the connection for the probe going to the water. And this is the connection for the thermostat here calling for heat. So again, complete hot water system without control relay. Okay, I'll turn it on. And this is how it's supposed to function. So look at this now. It's been on for a while. You where the water here now, and it's opening the valve, this valve on the bottom. And if I close this valve, if you look through it, if you look through here, if you look through here, you'll see that it is open. See the light? So if I close this, now, this is zone 1, it should turn on.
That's not all the way open.
No, yeah, this is open, but it's not audible, it's just a very small opening. Here. Zone 1. It is open. Okay, and that's it.